How to start playing Palmon Survival for the first time. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to trying out a new survival game, exploring creature collecting adventure, or just stepping into something fresh and exciting on your mobile or your tablets, then here's how to get started with Palmon Survival. First of all, unlock your device and then go to Google Play Store or App Store. Click it open and then in the search bar at the bottom type in Palmon and search. Look for this application from Lilith Technology Hong Kong Limited. And now tap on the install or the get button. Follow through the instructions and you'll be able to start with the download process. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet so that the application can download smoother and faster. Once the game is downloaded, tap on play. Agree to the terms and conditions of the game and then wait for the download to complete. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet for the download to complete faster. And once it does, you can go through a short tutorial and you'll be able to play the game. Now to save your progress across the devices and so that you don't lose your data, make sure that you sign up for your account. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap the avatar. And here, click on settings at the bottom and click on account on the next page. You can then go ahead and link your socials or your email addresses to save progress across devices. First time you open up the game, you'll be using the guest account, but you can now go ahead and link your email or social medias so that you can sign into your account and save your progresses. So that is how you can start playing Palmon Survival for the first time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.